In this video, I want to talk to you about themes. Now, in the past, we've talked about themes on a single site basis. This time around, though, we're going to talk to you about themes on a multi-site basis, namely through our Super Admin panel. Now, to demonstrate this, I want to head on over to our appearance under just this one site, the single site, and if we go to themes, we'll see that we have just one active theme, and that's the current activated theme. And under available themes, it doesn't show any. However, I know for a fact, because well, I put them there, that there are actually 4 themes installed on this site. But those other 3 are not available network wide. They're not available anywhere for the time being because we have not yet activated them in our Super Admin Themes subpanel. On any new site that is created in your multi-site or WordPress network, you're only going to have available the default theme until you activate additional themes. Now, while on that same topic of creating a new site, if you say you've got a new customizations to this 2010 theme, you've widened the sidebar here, or you've put in a custom header, or you've tweaked the padding between the header image and the side, whatever, that will not hold on the new sites you're creating. Any customizations to the 2010 theme will not carry forward on the new sites as the default theme is added to those. That's something that will have to be done on a site by site basis. So it's something that can be done, it's just not one of those automatic things. And we'll cover that here in just a tad bit. But for the time being, let's go ahead and click this guy here, and whenever we do, it's going to take us to the themes under our Super Admin panel here. And I guess I should also mention that as far as the installing themes and the managing themes, as far as the install themes, we covered that in detail in a prior video, so we're not even going to bother with it now. You should already know how to do that. If not, just review that one video we've already gone over as far as installing themes on a single site basis. Now here you can see all the themes that are installed, but the one that is enabled. And you see down here a running tally. 4 themes installed, only 1 enabled. Now let's go ahead and enable these 2. So now we'll have 3, and I'm going to leave this one disabled for the time being. You can see the other details here, description, version, just like you would in the single site basis, except here there's no graphical or no image thumbnail, just the text. Let's go on down here and apply changes. And let's go on back here to the themes now on the dog training subdomain, and you can see now those other 2 have been added, so we've got a total of 3 available themes. And this is the case network wide. On all the sites you have on your WordPress network, this is now the case. But you also have the option to enable on a site by site basis additional themes. So let me show you what I'm talking about there. But if we go here to sites, and let's say we go down here to cat training, because right now we're on dog training. If we go here to edit, right over here, it shows here all of the sites, all of the themes that are installed but are not currently activated. Come on back here to sites, and we go here to edit under dog training. You can see here the same thing. Now then, if we come on back here, edit cat training, but let's make this guy active on this one site. Now let's go to sites, cat training back in, come on down here to appearance, themes. You can see now that we have this available. Whereas if we come on back up here to sites, we're on cat training, let's go to the dog training back end, come on down here to themes. You can see that it's not available here. So you can see how you can activate or enable themes both network-wide and individually site-wide. Now, as far as the customizations I had touched on earlier and how they will not carry forward with each additional site that you create, like I was saying, if you were to tweak the sidebar width of your default theme, that customization feature will not carry forward on new sites you create, but you can in fact do that manually. And it's quite simple, just as we would do on a normal single site basis. You do the same thing here. Now we're under dog training, come over to themes, and come on down here to editor, I'm sorry, not themes, but to appearance, then go to editor, and then right here, and this would just be for this one site, you can come in and you can adjust whatever needs to be adjusted, whether it's the CSS or the footer, whatever needs to be adjusted. So what you might want to do is keep an additional folder. Remember way back when we were talking about keeping things organized? Keep an additional folder on customizations. Name the folder in that customizations directory, name the folder the name of the theme, and inside of that theme, or inside of that theme's customization folder, have your files, your CSS for that particular customization, and then you simply copy the code from that CSS, come in here to whatever theme it is you're working on, and then just right click, select all, right click, paste that code in here. You now have that customization right here. And then of course, don't forget to click on the update file. And that way you can maintain the customization on all of those default themes or all of the custom themes as well, because any time that you have a custom theme, you have a theme that has options available, and more themes nowadays have multiple options that allow you to go in and customize them with some clicks of a button rather than diving into the code. If you do so on your super admin panel, that customization will not carry forward on the additional sites you create. You'll have to do that on a site by site basis. So hopefully this will be one of the items that might be addressed in future releases of the multi-site feature of WordPress and their updates. But for the time being, with themes anyway, that's what you have to do. You have to go in individually and add those options or those customization features on a site-by-site basis. That's going to bring us to the end of this video on themes and your multi-site feature. Thank you very much for watching.